I hope that you've had a wonderful couple of weeks. Sorry I've been a bit quiet, but I have been in the most amazing place. I had the most wonderful opportunity, and that was to go and work in Monaco on the super yachts and at the Prince Albert of Monaco's Formula One charity event. So that's where the drivers walk the runway for charity, and I had the remarkable experience and opportunity to work with Formula drivers, the drivers. I was lucky enough to actually do the makeup for the only female driver, and I was so excited because I have a female brand and I got to do the only female driver's makeup. And then I also got to do VIP makeup, which was more serious and very nerve-wracking to step up and think, can I do this? But I was really excited with my preparation. Was so glad that I put in the work so that I wouldn't let Global Hair and Makeup down, and then to step up and meet the requirements of the ladies, and literally one of them is a lady. So that will be revealed in a few days time, when I've just got all the images that I'm waiting for to be released. But in the meantime, something that I noticed on my travels was how people don't look each other in the eye anymore. And we all know why. It's become quite easy to hide behind your phone. So even the VIPs themselves, they're looking down the whole time on their phones. They avoid eye contact. And not just them, but I mean, you know, everywhere. All age groups, nobody looks you in the eye anymore. And you know, it's something I learned from my dad. I was terrified. We were all terrified of my father. He had big brown eyes, and it was always piercing eyes looking straight at you, demanding, directing. And so it's something I learned from my upbringing, and I think it's something that we need to get back. We need to start demanding respect from the people that we are in the presence with. If we are trying to communicate with them, the least they can do is look at you in the eye. So this is a challenge that I'm wanting to set for you this weekend, and hopefully create an epidemic of it. So everyone who's been influenced by her smile will be stepping out with a beautiful smile, but also beautiful eyes that are demanding the attention of the people that you are talking to, because it's also the respect of them, and in return you will give them respect by listening. So I look forward to hearing about your journey with this, and please don't forget, and again, influence the young ones, because those are the ones that we can impress. So have a great weekend and keep an eye out.